గణేష్ ప్రొడక్షన్స్ పతాకంపై బెల్లంకొండ సురేష్ నిర్మాతగా రూపొందిస్తున్న చిత్రం నాగవల్లి. గురు కిరణ్ సంగీత సారథ్యంలో స్వరపర్చిన ఈ చిత్రం ఆడియో సక్సెస్ నేపథ్యంలో ఈ నెల 16న ఈ చిత్రం విడుదలకు సిద్ధమవుతున్న సందర్భంగా హీరోయిన్ కమలిని ముఖర్జీ తన అనుభూతిని పంచుకున్నారు.
I think everyone likes to be a little scared, so everyone likes suspense, so it's for everyone. There are lovely graphics, there's a little bit of family moments, there's comedy, there's song and dance, and Venki in a double role, plus 6 beautiful women, so it's for everybody. I just wanted to be a part of the project because it was lovely, and I also wanted to play the role, even though I was scared to play it because I didn't think I'd do justice to it, but I wanted to play the role, so I really wasn't thinking beyond that or anything. It just was a lovely film when I watched it. I shouldn't be talking about Rajni sir at all, but I think where Rajni sir is concerned, his aura overtakes everything. Even in Chandramukhi, even though he was the psychiatrist and then you saw him as the king, you always were watching Rajni sir more than you knew that the character was him. But where Venki is concerned, I think in portions of the film he has definitely put Venkatesh behind and become the character, and you will believe that you will forget for some time that you're watching the superstar Venkatesh and think that you're watching the character. You can bring that away with you. I think he's done that. I believe it a little bit, but I don't plan my life, or I don't believe it that much that I begin my day reading it and believe that everything is going to happen according to that, or let somebody read my palm and they say that, okay, you're going to die when you're 30 and I will believe that I'm going to die. I don't believe in those things. Well, I hope the response is good because I worked hard, and more than just my character, I want the film to do well because the film is made up of so many characters. I'm just one person in this story. Apart from Venki, I think everybody's just played small, not like small characters, but small portions of the film belong to each person. So I would want the audience to like my portion, of course, but I would definitely want them to love the film. I think the audience already believes that there is God and there is also whatever you may call the opposite side of God, and the middle path is occupied by everything else, like souls and spirits and ghosts, which are neither here or neither there. They are stuck somewhere in between. I believe they exist, and I think the audience also, even they say that no, I don't believe in ghosts or something like that. Somewhere in the back of the head, we've been brought up with these kind of things, so we do believe the Indian sensibility and the Indian way of growing up has these elements. You're always told ghost stories when you're young and you watch ghost films and you know that the devil exists, like the shaitan is there and God is there. So I don't think people need to be convinced. If they just want to, they have to watch the film for the film. It's a story, it's not like there is a Nagavalli or there is the Chandramukhi and they are going to do this. It's not like that. It's just a film, it's a story. You should enjoy it for that, not think so deep. I love the music. The music is very situational, very moody, lots of flavors. Each song has a different moment in the film. It defines a different emotion, and he's put in, it's very authentic kind of Indian music My favorite is Omkara and Vandanalu. I like both the songs. Both are very different from each other. One is very Indian classical, and the other is got Indian tones to it, but it is still a very melodious, sweet track. So I like both. I did not have scenes with Anushka, so though I know that she must have done a splendid job in the film and she's looking great in the posters, I don't know what to say about her. But Shraddha, Richa, Poonam, Suja, all these people I worked with, and it was great fun. I think each one of them worked hard and they've all done a good job. Well, right now I'm trying to finish a comedy that I'm doing with Venu, who I did Gopi Gopika Godavari with. And after that in January, that's a very nice role, a very different role from Nagavalli, so I'm excited. And then in January I start 2 new projects with 2 new directors, very exciting, one a thriller and one an ensemble film.